Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create OnlyFans account. So first of all, to do that, open any web browser and in the web address bar, type in onlyfans.com. Now it will take you to the official homepage of OnlyFans. So there are three ways to sign up to OnlyFans. You can use your Twitter account, you can use your Google account, or you can use your any other email to create an account in OnlyFans. For now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your account in OnlyFans using your Google account. So to do that, tap on sign up/login with Google. Now it has taken us to Google sign in page. So here you have to enter your Google ID or Gmail account and tap on next. Now enter the password of your Google account on this page and tap next. And this is all that you have to do if you sign up using your Google account or Twitter account. But if you sign up with your email ID instead of Google or Twitter account, you will have to do another 1-2 more steps. And this is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.